Well, hello traders and investors, LA Little here, and this is your daily NeoTA wrap. Take a look at these markets from a neoclassical perspective. We're looking at supply and demand on the charts. We're using that information to make decisions about which way to go, what to get in, what to get out, when to get in, when to get out. That's the important things you have to make decisions about. We do it using supply and demand as we see it on the charts. I do the show 4 times a week, Monday through Thursday broadcast at or before 10 o'clock Eastern Time. It's archived on YouTube under the channel LA Little. If you want to subscribe, just reach up in the right hand corner. Do so anytime I push content. You'll get a notification. As far as what happened to these markets today, flat across the board. You actually had another attempt to take it down. This one comes off more political revelations of problems and collusion and all the nonsense that we continue to hear. Market doesn't care, just keeps shrugging it off like nothing's happening. You know, the longer this goes on, eventually you're going to set up a scenario where something can happen. But right now, it doesn't matter. Matter of fact, if we bring over the weekly chart and look at it, right, given what happened last week, this is your swing point high. This was the breakout bar here. You're trying to get back to that area. That's a buy area when you come back into it. And so, you know, when you look at it, it doesn't look bad, right? Setting up for something larger to the downside is going to take longer to do. NASDAQ, NDX, that was the strength again today. You know, they sold it off for a month and a half, take it down. Now they're trying to take it back up. It's just a bounce until it's something more. Right now, it just looks like a bounce to me. Target is this bar here. It's that top. That's what I've told you. That's where I think it's trying to get to. Should get there by the end of the week. Most likely. NDX, same story. Looks almost exactly the same. Russell, if we look at the Russell, NDX almost got there today. If we look at the Russell, though, on the Russell, what we see there is another one of those doji, you know, hammer reversal type situations. You're still stuck in this big range to the top side. I flipped through the indexes. I flipped through the world indexes. I flipped through the major sectors. I looked at debt. I looked at the various ox markets. I looked at everything, folks. I can't see anything that looks any different than what I told you about last night. And what that suggests to me is you're going to get another day of trying to go up. That's it for tonight. Have a great one. See you next time.